Now, what I'm going to do with this information is use it inside my Unity 3D project. But before I do so, I'm going to go ahead and open the Unity project. Right now, I have a project called email list building star.zip. It's basically a Unity project that has a few files. I'm going to unzip it and just open it with Unity project and take a look at what's inside of it. So I'm going to Unity. I have it open already. And by the way, quick way to open it is File and then Open Project and just locate the main folder, which is under Open. I look at the email list building and just open. All right, that's how you do it. Now, you will end up with the Submit Email Scene open. If not, you can always go to the project. Under Assets, you will see the Submit Email Scene. You can just double click on this and this will open that scene. Now, this scene has only very few information, a main camera, a light, and then a background, which is the one with the clouds and the green grass. And then it has a user interface, HUD, that just has a button that says Send Email. All right, now what we want to do is actually create the code that will get triggered whenever we click on that button. So right now, if I press play and I click on that button, as you can see, I can click on it no problem, but nothing happens. All right, so I'm going to make some code to trigger this.